Hey everyone, welcome to Orbit Sphere and you are watching Premiere Pro Sorted series. Now, in this quick tutorial, you will be learning how to organize your projects in Adobe Premiere Pro. So, without further ado, let's dive in. So, first thing first, let's create a new project and name it and choose where you want to save it. Now, normally what I do is I create a new folder for each of my projects. Now, right click in the project panel and select the new bin. Name them accordingly like a footage, audio, graphics, etc. Now, let's import your media by heading to the files, import, or simply drag and drop, but don't leave them floating around. Now drag each of the file in respective folder and trust me on this, your future self will thank me later. Now let's drag a video clip and audio clip to the timeline and Premiere Pro will automatically create a sequence for you. Don't forget to save your project, hit Ctrl S or Command S and consider enabling autosave to keep it safe. Once done, go to File menu, Export and Media to open the export settings. For most of the platforms, I choose H264 and then you can hit export. One more thing is I always keep my export directory same in the Premiere Pro project. And boom, it's ready now. And here is the result, perfectly organized project turned into a sleek video. I hope this video helps you in organizing your future projects. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up, subscribe and stay tuned for more updates.